Record-ology.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Record-ology. Quick one today, but this is going to be really fun. Today, we're going to review these SoundPEATS earbuds, and I love Bluetooth earbuds. I use them every single day, whether I'm, mowing, whether I'm vacuuming or whatever I'm doing, walking, jogging, at the gym. It's really nice to have hands-free, good quality music. And I have been absolutely blown away with the quality of the SoundPEATS earbuds. They're just phenomenal. These are the Free2 Classic. So these are a budget headphone. This is considered budget. So the price on this is just, it's amazingly low. It's surprisingly low. And I'll be curious if it performs at the level of their higher end stuff. Now, when I say higher end stuff, we're talking, way less than Apple products. And if you're wondering about the quality, I asked my son the other day, I said, hey, so I had given him the Pros, the SoundPEATS Pros. And I said to him, how do you like those compared to your AirPods? And he says, I don't use the AirPods anymore. I'm like, are you serious? He's like, yes, I literally love the SoundPEATS far more. And I said, I think they're only $59. Can you believe that? He's like, he was blown away because the quality was just amazing. I said, well, what is it that's good about it? He says the noise canceling is almost too good. The sound quality was, just as good, if not even better. And the battery life was noticeably better. So he loves those. I'm excited to try these out. These, it's AAC, it's Bluetooth 5.1, all kinds of cool, 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Obviously it comes in a rechargeable battery case. Let's go ahead and open it up. We got our black box here. And I'm going to try these out for a period of time, and then I will close the video out by letting you know what I think. Because this isn't something you can just put on and say, oh yeah, it works good, You want to give it some time. Packaging is cool. I like the packaging. It's all black, the box, and you can see the charging case in there. There's an accessories box. Let me set this down first. Little foam inside. We've got the Free2 Classic manual, which is in there, so hold on to that in case you want to drop it on the floor or have any questions about how to operate it. There's also a little accessories box in there. So let's go ahead and check that out. I hope you guys, by the way, have been enjoying the Vlogtober shows. It's kind of interesting, Vlogmas style, kind of, but instead of being in December, it's in October, and there's more of it because there's, in December we only do Vlogmas up until Christmas, but October you get it all the way to the 31st. All right, so in here we've got some, I'm not going to take these out of the package, but they're little replacement ear cups if you happen to not, the ones that, are built in or come with it don't fit. And a charging cable. Now, is this USB-C or micro USB? Okay, this is USB-C, which is good. I like that. I like all things USB-C. I think that's great. Now let's take a look. I'm going to take the cover off of this. Very interesting, sort of like a leatherette material on the case. And you can see the charging port back there. And let's go ahead and open it up. The big reveal. Now, the big question for me on these is going to be, do I like the fact that they're in-ear? And I don't typically like an in-ear earbud versus and I don't know what you call the other kind, but just an old school kind of earbud. You can see the charging case there. There's the contacts down in there and all that good stuff. Just because they don't usually stay in my ears too well. So I'm wondering, will these stay in my ears better? I hope so. We'll find out. So I'm going to try these out and I'll let you know what I think.
6 hours later.
Okay, so I've had them for quite a while now. Overall, the sound quality is pretty dang good. They do have a considerably smaller driver than other earbuds on the market. That being said, I don't notice that right off the bat. I don't feel like that's painfully obvious. The sound is rich still, maybe a tad more distant, if that makes any more sense than the other models. But it just sounds good overall, and it's something that's very listenable. Now, the big question is, I don't like in-ear earbuds. So do I like the feeling of something crammed into my ear canal? And the answer is overall no. I don't like that feeling. but these aren't popping out as much as these type usually do. So I've been able to listen to them more than I expected. So time will tell, but so far I would say I am impressed with them, and I think they're a fantastic value for the cost. So these Free2 classics are only $29. And for $29, you guys, this is a no-brainer. These are really good entry-level earbuds. And I say entry-level only because the price is so low. I don't know what's entry-level about them. The sound was good. The play time is good. You like 30 hours battery life on these. They're fantastic. So even if you're like traveling with these or something, if you lose them, it's like, oops, I'm out 29 bucks. It's not that big of a deal considering hundreds of dollars that people spend for these things. And these are the ones that my son has. These are the Air 3 Pros. These are $59, and these are top of the line for them. And he loves these. He said these are the ones that are, you know, to him better than the Apple AirPods. Fantastic deal. These are both in-ear. These ones remain my favorite. These are the Air 3 Classic. I just prefer this style that's not an in-ear style. Sound quality is phenomenal. Battery life is phenomenal. I can go usually weeks between charges. So all three of these are just fantastic. I'll put links to all three. The review is really about this guy though. And if you're thinking about cutting the cord on earbuds, this is a very, very good and very modest investment. You will not be disappointed. So anyway, let me know what you guys think about wireless earbuds. Yes, you can connect these to record players, LP60, Bluetooth devices with Bluetooth out. Doesn't have to be your phone. It can be anything with Bluetooth out. And in case you're wondering where the sound is in the background, my son just got a MetaQuest 2 VR headset, so he's having fun with that in the background, just in case you're wondering what the sounds are. So that's going to do it for today, guys. Happy record hunting. We'll see you next time.